Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are home and safe. It's important for us to stay immune and healthy during this virus. So today I've come up with an immunity boosting drink which is made out of pineapple skin. Yes, pineapple skin. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants and minerals. With the help of vitamin C and bromelain which is present in pineapple, it helps to prevent and fight any infection or bacteria. So it's a great drink to have during this lockdown period. So do not throw away any pineapple skin hereafter so that you can make this amazing drink. I hope you all will try this recipe and also share your feedback. So let's get started. So I've taken one big pineapple here. I've thoroughly washed it and dried it before cutting it. Now I'm going to cut out all the peel from the pineapple. The rest of the fruit I'm going to use to make some amazing pineapple sorbet, for which I will share the recipe soon. So this is all the pineapple skin I got from that pineapple. I've also taken the center part of the pineapple which I won't be using for the sorbet. Now I'm taking a deep vessel to make this drink where I'm adding 4 liters of water into this pan. Now I'm going to add all the pineapple skin and the center part of pineapple into this vessel, and I'm going to boil this mixture for at least 45 to 50 minutes until the color of this water changes and reduces to half the quantity. It's been on the stove for almost 45 minutes, as now you can see the color of water has changed and also reduced in quantity. Let's strain this mixture into a container and let it cool for at least 2 hours before we consume it. Look at how beautiful the drink looks, and it smells really amazing. So let this sit and cool down for at least 2 hours. I'm gonna have this pineapple peel drink with some ice. If you don't like ice, you can totally avoid it, as it still tastes good. You can add any sweetener of your choice. Here I'm adding some honey, and I'm also gonna add some ginger juice to it, which is totally optional. You can totally avoid it if you don't like ginger. And here you go. Our immunity boosting pineapple peel drink is ready. It's refreshing and a best drink to have during this summer. Until the next video, take care and bye-bye.